Tape script 6.18.1. The King and the Poor Boy. In a small village near the edge of the forest, there once lived a buffalo boy who had no mother or father. His uncle, who was the chief cook for the king, pitied the poor boy, so he invited the boy to stay with him in the palace. The grateful boy worked hard to help his uncle. He washed the plates, polished the cups, cleaned the dining room tables, and mopped the floors. At the end of each month, his uncle gave him 6 cents as his wages. Now the king frequently inspected the palace quarters. He had often noticed how hard the boy was working, mopping the floors or polishing the cups, and always cheerfully and in good humor. One day, the king asked the boy, "Do you receive wages for your hard work?" The boy bowed and said, "Yes, I do, Your Majesty. I earn 6 cents every month." Then the king asked, "Do you think you are rich or do you think you are poor?" "Your Majesty," the boy replied, "I think that I am as rich as a king." The king was taken by surprise. "Why is this poor boy talking such nonsense?" he thought to himself. Once more the king spoke to the boy. "I am a king, and I have all the power and riches of this country. You earn only 6 cents a month. Why do you say you are as rich as I am?" The boy laid down his broom and slowly replied to the king, "Your Majesty, I may receive only 6 cents each month, but I eat from one plate and you also eat from one plate. I sleep for one night and you also sleep for one night. We eat and sleep the same. There is no difference. Now, Your Majesty, do you understand why I say that I am as rich as a king?" The king understood and was satisfied. Moral: in the most important things of life, all men and women are equal brothers and sisters. Tape script 6.18.2.
Last Saturday, I was sitting at home when my friend called and asked me if I wanted to go to the shopping mall. We went shopping for clothes in the department store. While I was waiting to pay, a man stole my purse. The security guard was watching on the security camera and saw everything. The man was arrested as he was leaving the store.